Hi, I'm going to make the onion cake today. All you need is some pot sticker skin. So this is two in it, but I'm gonna put that two together. And this is also two too, so I'm put it together. Put it like that. And this is also 2 and 2. Then I'm gonna be plus some butter. I'm gonna put some green onion in it. I'm using about 2 ounces of green onion. Okay, put some more over here. Then I'm going to sprinkle some salt in it. Then I'm going to put that on top of the green onion like this. And then I'm going to brush some butter in it also too, on top. Okay. Then I turn on the low heat for that. I'm going to put some oil in it. And make sure the oil is low because you don't want to burn the green onion cake. When you see the edge brown right there, that means they're already done. So I need to flip it over. Okay, this is look about done. Gonna flip it over. So I'm gonna put it on the side and remove it. Okay, this is done. This is green onion cake.